Hello students, here is lesson 1.8.4 American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Welcome to Year 1, Week 8, Lesson 1.8.4. Today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English Video Lesson 8 of 52. So please click on this link in order to get there. Okay, and we click. And notice the first part says watch and practice along with the speaking practice video. This video is about 4 minutes long. I strongly suggest you watch this video and practice with it at least 2 times. Okay? Then we go to part 2, where you watch and practice along with this pronunciation practice video. This is only 1:48. I suggest you practice with this video 2 or 3 times. Okay? Then we have part 3. Listen, read, and practice along with the audio player and dialogue below. So obviously you click play on the audio player.
Here I am at my new job. Yesterday, at my first day of work, let's not talk about yesterday. Today is a new day. Today, I want to apologize to my coworkers.
Okay, so you have this dialogue right here, which I encourage you to do the following. So you listen, read, and practice along with this dialogue in English. If you don't understand this dialogue, if there are parts of it that you don't understand, don't worry. Just go to the Translate section, click on the button that represents your language, and translate this dialogue into your language. So first, do the best you can by listening and reading it in English. And then, if you don't understand some parts of it, just translate it into your language and read it carefully. Okay? Finally, we have the actual lesson video, which is about 5 minutes. And you just click play, and you watch it, and you repeat after it. Okay? The last part is part 5. Take the online quiz. So you just click on this link, and notice there are 5 questions. So you, it says, what does Anna say? So we...
Anna,
Yes, Miss Weaver.
are you busy?
Yes, Miss Weaver. I am busy.
Okay, so you definitely listen to this, and then you answer, and then you click next question and see how you do on this quiz. Okay, students, I hope you have learned from this lesson, and I hope that you do your best to practice and work together with this lesson and this quiz. Thank you very much for all your hard work. I'm really proud of you. Best wishes.